These are like the sisterhood traveling pants shorts. Hi there, I'm Olivia. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to do a pack with me and show you what I'm going to be bringing on an upcoming trip to a little resort town called Sunriver. There's a few like restaurants and shops that you can go to that have like local things, and the whole thing is like connected by bike paths, but it's just a really fun, like relaxing vacation. They have like hiking and water sports. My favorite thing to do is float down the river. So I'm looking forward to it a lot, but I'm not totally sure what the weather's gonna be like. Typically it's really hot. It's like a high desert, so it's typically hot during the day and then a lot colder at night. So I'm gonna be bringing some different options with me, although that might also be an excuse because I am a classic overpacker. But anyway, let's just jump into it and I'll show you what I'm gonna bring. By the way, this is Luna. Today she had her checkup and she did very good. Other than being told that she needs to lose a little bit more weight, she got a clean bill of health, so we're all very proud of her. So as far as tops, I have 4 different t-shirts that I'm gonna bring and we're there for not quite a week. So I have this kind of boyfriend style scoop neck. So it's a looser fit. I like that it's kind of a linen blend look to it, and it's gonna be super comfy. Whether it's hot or not, I think that this type of shirt is gonna be good because I can layer it with it if it is cooler, or it's breezy if it's, you know, hot or whatever. And then we've got just a basic gray V-neck. We've got a couple of a little bit more fun t-shirts. So one of my favorites, I don't know if I'll wear this like for bed or, you know, biking or running around or whatever, but this is definitely one of my favorites. And then I have this other t-shirt that I actually got last year when we were on our way back from Sunriver. There's this little brewery called Backwoods Brewing Co. So I'm bringing that one. And then I have a few I say a few, quite a collection of tank tops that I want to bring. So 3 of these are all the same style, but I have a green one, a gray one, and then kind of a maroon. And these ones are all from Old Navy. These are one of my favorite tops ever to exist in the history of the world. Like, I have them in so many different colors. What I like about them is that it's a nice sleeveless style with the high neck, and it's just got a little bit thicker feel to it. So I just think they're perfect for layering. Obviously, I wear them in the summer and the spring, but I wear them year-round, really, because I think they're perfect to layer like a jacket over or sweater or whatever. I really, really like these. I feel like they can so easily be dressed up and down, and they're just one of my favorites. So if you see them, I definitely recommend them. I've got a couple other tank tops here. So one of them is this pretty kind of periwinkle with like a lace trim on it. And then we've got... What can I say? I like white with polka dots, but I've got one kind of more fitted tank, and then I have kind of a looser style as well. This one you actually saw if you watched my Old Navy haul. I just got this one for a really good deal. I think it was like $3, 3 or 4, but just kind of nice and breezy. And I love white tank tops. I just feel like, you know, they make you look a little bit tanner, and they're just a nice go with everything kind of item. And then one other thing from that haul, I have this kind of a burnt mustard color. I'm not exactly sure how to describe it, but I am really into this color right now. So I think that this will look super cute with shorts or jeans if it does end up being a little bit colder. But I think it'll be really comfy too if it is hot, because it's nice and lightweight, but I could also layer like a jacket over it if it ended up being a little bit colder. And then I have one other new top. This one is a strapless one that I got from TJ Maxx. I think it's super cute. I haven't really gotten a chance to wear it yet, but I love how it looks like it has these buttons down the front. They don't actually open it, so I don't have to worry about it like popping open or something, but I just love the tropical print. I think it's super fun, and I'm excited to wear that one. And then the last tank top that I was gonna bring is one of my favorites. On Wednesdays we wear pink. I mean, I can't not bring this and wear it on Wednesday, right? You have to. I have 2 different denim shorts that I'm bringing. This is my favorite pair right now. I got them from Target, and I love how they have like the button closure instead of the zipper. I just think that that's really cute. So these ones are a higher waist, and they've got like the raw hem that's folded over. So I really like these. They're definitely comfy, go with everything kind of short. And then this pair I have had forever. So these are from Old Navy. They're like the boyfriend style. Again, they've got like a rolled up hem here, but they just fit really well. There's something about these shorts that I've had them for years, and I have other shorts that are like the same size that I've had for years that I've had to get rid of. But for whatever reason, these are like the sisterhood traveling pants shorts because I swear they always fit me, which is awesome. And then I have one, it's actually a skirt that I'm going to be bringing. I'd gotten this at Costco of all places, but I just thought it was cute. So it's this like navy colored, and it's kind of a, I'm not sure how to describe it, but it's like the kind that would dry really fast, like if it got wet. And then it just has like these shorts built into it underneath. So I don't know if we are going to be doing any not like hardcore hiking or anything, but sometimes we'll do like little hikes, and especially if they lead up to like a waterfall or a little, you know, swimming area or whatever. This might be nice to wear like over my swimsuit. Okay, not sure at what point that stopped recording. That was rude, but whatever, we'll move on. So the pair of jeans that I'm bringing with me, I also got these in my Old Navy haul. I've gotten these for a good deal, but they've got a little bit of distressing and then raw hem folded up. I guess that's just kind of my go-to style right now, but they're just like a nice mid-tone wash, so I think that they'll go with everything. If it does end up being a little bit cooler, then this will go with all of the tops that I brought, so those I think will be good. And then one of my favorite things to wear in the summer are linen pants, and so I have this pair from Old Navy that I got, I think it was last year or the year before, but this nice like blue and white stripe. They're just super comfy, and again, kind of regardless of what the weather's like, because if it is super hot, these are definitely a nice alternative to jeans, but even if it is a little bit cooler, since they're long pants, then they, you know, definitely help to keep you warm. But I just think that these are a nice breezy option, so I'm excited to have those with me. The only other things I'm bringing for like bottoms, I have one pair of leggings. These ones are from Old Navy. They make my favorite leggings. These ones are from the active section, and they're just like their basic compression ones, the long length. I often will end up rolling them up a little bit just because I like them to be kind of a 7/8 length. But these ones are just super opaque. I like that they're this like wicking kind of material because they're totally opaque. I feel like the ones that are cotton can be like a little bit see-through depending on what you're wearing underneath. So I definitely prefer these ones. They have a high waist, which I love. High-waisted leggings are definitely one of the best inventions to exist ever in the history of the world. So I think we can all agree on that one. And then I have one pair of sweatpants. These are good for either bed or for like when everyone first wakes up in the morning. We'll usually all kind of congregate on the deck outside and have coffee and breakfast and talk. Or like I said, it gets pretty cold at nighttime, so these will be kind of nice then too. But just a nice comfy pair. I'd gotten these, I think I got these at Walmart from the men's section actually, because for whatever reason, women's sweatpants typically don't have pockets. Which is kind of dumb, and I'm not really sure who I need to call about that because that's rude, but whatever. I'll just buy the $4 men's sweatshirt or sweatpants for now. Anyway, I like these ones. So I'm going to bring one dress with me. This one is also from, you guessed it, Old Navy. I got this a couple years ago, and this one is just a nice stretchy like swing dress. I just love the red and white stripe. I actually wore this on the first day of our honeymoon. We went to Disneyland for a honeymoon, and this is what I wore. That's super not the point, but I don't know. I'm probably never going to get rid of this dress ever just because it's super nostalgic for me, but it's also really comfy. And then I have this top that I got, this is originally from J. Crew, but I had gotten it at Goodwill for, I don't know, just like a couple bucks, which is pretty sweet. But it's a nice like chambray button up, and so I think that this is going to be really good. I can use it as both kind of a light jacket, just if I wear it over whatever top I have on and open, or obviously I can button it up, unroll the sleeves, and it's just a nice heavier weight shirt if it does end up being a little bit colder. But I love something like this where it's kind of a multi-purpose, like using a button up as kind of a jacket. I just think it's kind of a nice way to get some more use out of your items, even though I'm bringing like enough clothes that I could definitely poop myself twice a day every day, and I would have enough to be fine. So that's just my MO. I'm also bringing 2 swimsuits with me. Both of these are new. I got them just this year. I didn't have any one-piece swimsuits before, and that's just kind of what I'm feeling like I want to gravitate towards right now. So this one I just got like yesterday or the day before, but I'm super excited. It's this kind of ribbed fabric and it sits like just slightly off the shoulders. But I was super excited to find this one at Old Navy on clearance. I think it was like $4, which is kind of crazy because originally I think this one was like 40 something. But I actually remember last year I loved it. They also had it in this really pretty yellow that I really wanted, but I didn't get it because I just couldn't bring myself to buy it full price, and then they sold out and I was sad, and now I got it for like $4, so I guess it pays to wait, but I'm excited to wear this one. And then I also got one in black, also I got on clearance for like $4, so check your Old Navy clearance sections for swimsuits, I guess. But this one is just kind of a basic style. So it's got a halter, black, nothing real fancy about it, but just kind of a nice staple. So got those ones to wear. And then I also got a pair of like board shorts to wear over them. They're pretty short, so I don't think I would actually wear these just like out and about. But if I wore them, like if we went to the pool or if we're like floating down the river, they're just kind of nice to throw on top of the swimsuit. But that's all the clothes I'm gonna bring, besides obviously like socks and, you know, undergarments and things. And then I also have 4, maybe 5 pairs of shoes that I'm bringing too. So I have 2 pairs of sandals that I'm bringing for sure. I might end up bringing a pair of flip-flops too, or water shoes. So I have my Keds. These are the Ortholite orthopedic Keds that I got at Goodwill. But I actually think they're super cute. I like that it has like a thicker white sole at the bottom, and you know, Keds, they're a classic sneaker. I think they look super cute with shorts and dresses and skirts, and they're just kind of, you know, whatever this means. You can wear them with everything. And then I also have a pair of like pull-on sneakers. So these ones, I just like that they are black, and they actually have a little bit of a rise to them inside. Plus I put in some extra like cushy things. So I just kind of like how these end up making my legs look, because they look just like slightly more toned because they've got like a little bit of lift to them. So that's kind of a fun trick here. And then I have 2 pairs of sandals. So these ones are like a lace up, which is kind of nice because then you can adjust them, especially if it's really hot and if your feet are like swelling at all. It's kind of nice to be able to adjust that. But they're just like a lace up and they tie. They've got like the tiniest little bit of a wedge to them. But not really anything to like affect how comfortable they are. And then I just got these at Costco of all places. They were $15. I'm not a huge fan of the style, I have to say, especially with the Velcro. Like they're not my favorite in terms of how they look, but gosh darn it, if these aren't the most comfortable shoes I have ever put on my feet ever in the history of the world. So I'm definitely bringing these. They're adjustable both at the toe and the ankle, so for the same reason as the other ones. They're just kind of a nice, like, adjust them if you need to sandal. It was my favorite first, but it's growing on me, and I definitely can appreciate the practicality of this shoe. So that's everything that we're bringing on the trip. I'm super excited. I can't wait to go. There's been so much business this summer, a lot of things to look forward to, but this is definitely going to be a highlight. So I hope you enjoyed, and definitely stay tuned for what's going to be in my makeup bag that I'm bringing. I'll go ahead and film that next, but thank you again for watching, and I hope I see you again soon. Bye!